Hi everyone, happy Monday. In our classroom, we have been practicing our foundation skills by going to a website that I've assigned my students. And I want to show you how you can log in yourself at home if you want to continue practicing. So if you just go to the Southern York County School District website, sycsd.org, and you scroll down to Student Portal. If you haven't been here before, this is where you can access Learning A to Z, which there's plenty of books, and they have comprehension questions afterwards, which is wonderful. And also you can locate iReady here. But today we're going to be clicking on Google Classroom. And when they log in, it should look something like this. It will prompt them to put their username and ID in. Their username is their lunch number, s@student.sycsd.org. Then their password is their number. So whenever they do log in, it'll come up to this. They'll click on our classroom. And if you scroll, this would be the link that they would click on. So they click on Foundations Practice. It looks a little different for them because this is what it'll look like when they log into it. Then all you do is click on the link, and you need this code right here. So they'll click on the link, hit play.
Hello. To log in, write the hello.
And then they're going to find our class. Once they've found our class, then they can click on their name, and then they can continue working on their project that they've been working on.
Click on your classroom to begin.
If you've noticed, though, on the actual Google Classroom, there's also a link here for Epic Books. I have assigned all the students Epic Books to read in our classroom during our station time. So if they log in, again, here's the code. No, I forget the code. WGD9053. Hit go. Again, they're going to just select who they are, and I'll log in as a guest student. But you'll see here that I have sent them a book to read. But if you click on the X button, if you go to the mailbox, there's some books here that I have assigned for them to read that have to do with what we're learning about in social studies and science. There's tons of books though on here, so please use this resource. It is not free at home, so please log in through Google Classroom. That way it is free for you to use while you're at home with your students. I hope that this is helpful for you. Please reach out if you need any additional resources. See ya!